Look, it's almost springtime. Almost, but not quite. The oxalis are blooming. The birds are singing. All the oxalis in the sunshine. There's my shadow in the film. It shouldn't be in the film, should it? Still, it's springtime. These flowers don't look the best, but they look as best as they can since it's been a very dry winter. I love them anyway. At least they're something that grows here in this hot, dry climate. Aren't they lovely? So beautiful. Look at them. Fantastic. Especially in the bright morning sunlight. Look at the almond blossom in the beautiful blue sky behind. At the center of every almond blossom is a star if you look carefully. Everyone has a star in the center. Lovely almond blossom. See, there's a star at the center of every almond blossom. They've all got a star in the center. I have. Just like my dressing gown. See? Stars everywhere. Five-pointed. Every almond has a five-pointed star at the center. Every almond blossom. Beautiful geometry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we are. One, two, three, four, 5. Listen to the bees. Can you hear the bees? Probably not. Aren't the almond trees lovely with the blue spring sky behind them? And there's some kookaburras around. Are they going to sing? Look. I know these videos make me seasick when I watch a walking video, but it's almost spring and everything looks so lovely and shiny in the morning sunlight. Everything's shining on my pathway. This is our lovely walking path.